Welcome to the installation video, Fishbone Off-Road's rear bumper. For Jeep's 1987 to 2006 YJ and TJ Wrangler. Step 1. Remove your vehicle's bumper and bumperettes, as well as your spare tire and tire carrier if you believe it'll get in the way of the installation. Using the supplied drill template, mark and drill out 4 holes, 2 on each side, into your rear crossmember. The notch on the template will face up, and the holes in the template will line up with the crossmember's existing holes. Step 2. Before drilling, consider using a drill stop to prevent accidentally puncturing your fuel tank. Begin drilling the marked holes, starting with a pilot hole and working your way up to a 7/16 drill bit. Step 3. Begin installing your bumper. There are 4 locations to install the backing plates and bolts. Each backing plate will be placed on the back side of the crossmember, with M10 bolts, lock washers, and washers to follow, into the back side of the bumper. Remember to loosely install each bolt until every bolt has been threaded. You may need to move the bumper around if you run into hard to reach areas. Step 4. Loosely secure the 2 bottom holes into the crossmember with M12 bolts, lock washers, and washers. Step 5. Once all the bolts are threaded, begin tightening them all down with a 14mm and 19mm sockets, respectively. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road YJ and TJ rear bumper